Today we had a memorandum of understanding between the Government College of Quepem and Department of Handicraft, Textile and Coir to bring the department into the publicity or the vision of the department. To fulfill it, we have decided to go to the new generations, and this new generation is coming from the colleges, institutions, schools, and if we have such type of memorandum of understanding, we will be in a position to spread across Goa the Department of Handicrafts, Technology and its implementation in due course of time. The department is dealing with handicrafts such as textiles. In the field of textile, we have the cotton, saris, shawls, towels, which we are in various areas, right from the Pedname to the Shiroda, Bicholim. So we are doing it. The artisans, local artisans, they are preparing these textiles items for which this, if we prepare it and use it, then it will be a great thing in the field of handicraft. Similarly, so we have also having the coir industry, and we have Kundai Industrial Estate, there one center where we prepare, convert this coconut husk into the coir fibers, and these coir fibers into the door mats and other mats. If we use it, these are the natural biodegradable products, definitely. So what is available as a waste otherwise can be converted into the good artifacts, and definitely the different items can be made from this kernel of the coconut as well as the husks. Even if we use it, every part of this husk, we will be in a position to see that yes, nature can be protected and preserved, and from the nature, so what we are getting it, we can showcase it in a better way. So other things also like handicraft items and crockery, pottery or other different materials can also be made from them. So in order to promote all these, our ideas, our skills to the new generations, we had a MoU with the Government College of Quepem, and definitely we, in collaboration with the college, we can show it a good response, or we can pass on this good technology skills to the new generation, and definitely so we will do it. And in future course of time, the students as well as the passed out to students will show interest in such type of skills, and we as a together will show that yes, in Goa, so we can make our people self-sufficient, Atmanirbhar, Swayambhur, and a skill ups, and their skills can be upskilled, and also the new technologies can be brought into the state of Goa to see that Goan people are skilled and upskilled and technically sound, to see that they can enjoy their life with what is there available in the society, what is there available in the nature too. So definitely this MoU which has been signed today, so will help us to pass on the technology and pass on the skills of the old generation to the new generation, and in turn, so we'll make this Goa a Swayambhur Goa as well as the thing.
It's a big day for all of us because Government College Quepem is signing an MoU with Department of Handicraft, Coir and Textiles, Newginagar, Panjab. On behalf of the department, we have Shri Sagun Velip with us, and we are very thankful to him for signing this MoU with us. Why this MoU is very important? Because it talks about promoting Goan handicraft and it is also about sustainability. Through this MoU, we are going to promote our students to learn lot of things which talks about Goan handicrafts, and that is why we are signing this MoU today. Thank you so much.